So ever since Power BI Premium per User became a thing, and the integration between Azure Machine Learning Studio and Azure Machine Learning was also possible through the AutoML in Power Query or data flows, you can create models in Azure and then reapply them, like I mentioned before, in Power Query or Power BI data flows. One cool thing is that after you have this all done here, you can bring the data to Power BI. This one here was a classification model that I created using the two class boosted decision. And after all this was created, I came to Power BI and created a dashboard. This dashboard has a first page explaining everything. And then you can go to the problem intro. There you have a map, all the client's information, and also the totals, charges, and also total clients. If you click here, go to Power BI, it's going to slice everything. And if you hover over something, it's going also to show you a tooltip of the state. Going to the churn analysis, you'll be able to see a map of all the clients left, giving us a churn effect. So this is the before churn, after churn. You see that we have the number of clients left and also the percentages here of charges and also amounts. Going further, we have the algorithm analysis here, where you're going to see all the information about the data ingestion, transformation, splitting data, scoring model, and evaluation of the model, which is really important to know the false and true positives and negatives here, because this has everything to do with the accuracy of the model. Going further, we have a map here of all the states, and this is actually displaying all the number of clients who were identified, and also the charges that were identified that we could have saved if we have done something before, like applying this algorithm, this model to the data set, and then we would be able to predict that these clients were leaving and then not having to lose them. So this is a final presentation of the integration between Power BI and Azure ML.